I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pudding. First, let's gather our simple ingredients for a truly delightful treat. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Don't forget 2 large egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. If you prefer chocolate, add 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder to your dry ingredients. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, whisk together your sugar, cornstarch, and cocoa powder if using. Gradually pour in the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Once smooth, stir in the 2 egg yolks until they are completely combined. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir constantly with a whisk or rubber spatula. Keep stirring. The pudding will begin to thicken noticeably after about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it coats the back of your spoon and holds a trail when you run your finger across it. Let it gently bubble for 1 full minute to ensure the cornstarch is fully activated. Remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. Stir in the 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until melted and combined. Almost ready to enjoy. Pour your warm, delicious pudding into individual ramekins or a single serving bowl. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. This ensures a smooth, creamy texture throughout. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or until it's perfectly chilled and set. Serve cold, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream or some fresh berries for an extra special touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.